Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and device readiness. Do that first. Next, pick a VPN known for streaming, one with dedicated Disney Plus servers or reliable country options. Once chosen, install its app on your TV, phone, or streaming box. Make sure the app is up to date and that you can sign in. If available, enable the kill switch and choose a protocol for speed. These settings reduce interruptions and help maintain a stable connection. You now connect and configure for optimal playback. First, open the VPN and select a server in the country that has the shows you want. Once connected, verify your IP country on a quick status screen. Next, quit and reopen the Disney Plus app or clear its cache so location data refreshes. If streaming fails, switch VPN protocols for speed or move to a faster server. Make sure your network is stable. Prefer wired. You finish by logging into Disney Plus and playing a short title to confirm access. If playback starts, great, adjust quality as needed. If you still see a geo error, disconnect, pick a different server in the same country, or enable obfuscation/stealth mode because some providers block VPN IPs. Once done, reboot the device and test again. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, update the VPN app, capture a debug log, and contact VPN support with the time and server you used for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.